Resident Flyer here. It's been absolutely horrible weather for the last week in Blighty. It's been wet, it's been cold, it's been foggy, it's been absolutely awful. But it's Sunday today, I've got the day to myself, and there's no rain in the forecast, although the sky's looking pretty grey. And it's quite warm as well, it's about 14 degrees, so for middle of November that's not bad at all. It's very, very windy though, and there's an awful lot of mud about on the road. So I started the day with a very clean CRF, which is all looking spangly and lovely. And my aim today is to just have a little ride around, a few trails, see what I can find, and get her as muddy as possible. So stick around, stay tuned. Let's see if I can find something new. One of the problems I have actually around here, riding the little dirt bike, is that there's very few places that you're legally allowed to ride. So it's a bit of a challenge to actually find places to go. But anyway, let's see what we can find. Okay, now I happen to know that this that says public byway is a bridleway open to all traffic. Never done this particular bit before. See how we get on. Man, these leaves are really slippery. This is one of these situations where I wonder if I've bitten off more than I can chew. The back is squirming around all over the place. Great fun, but a lot more difficult than this looks. Oh, now, where the heck am I going? Wow. Uh-oh. Slippy slidey. Oh, this is getting ridiculous. Now I can tell you, I've only been out a little while, but if you've never tried this before, it is so difficult. I'm absolutely cream cracking. Oh, it's great fun, but it gives you a huge workout. Man, it's slippery over here today. Big danger of getting lost here. Second gear, how about it? Right, we're on the bridleway, we're good. Oh, this mud is so deep. Woo! Oh, bogs. Oh my word. Nearly came a cropper there. Back brake only. I'm bushed. Oh, saviour at the end of the road. Oh wow. Oh, am I glad to see some road. Oh man, I am absolutely cream cracking. Oh. Glutton for punishment. This is a bridleway, and I'm not sure I actually have the energy to do this. Just have a quick look, see what it looks like. Oh, mud, water, branches. Woo! Nearly lost it. Oh, okay. Well, I haven't got my maps on me, so I can't actually work out where I'm going. So I don't want to just ride willy-nilly. And frankly, I'm absolutely cream crackered. So I'm going to call that a day for today. See if I can get the bike turned around in this slightly more grippy looking grass. Mud doesn't look very grippy though, does it? So this is actually a road. I have been up here before, as opposed to a green lane. There is some tarmac, but it doesn't really go anywhere, so it's not maintained, and it's in a pretty bad state, as you can see. Might as well be a green lane. So we'll see how this goes. really don't want to meet anything coming the other way. Take it a bit easy, because you could meet a car or something, theoretically, although you'd have to be a nutter to drive your car up here. Uh-oh, bit of an ascent coming up now. Whee! Oh, and it looks like the way's blocked up here, so that puts a stop to my fun. Turn round needed. It's a tree that's fallen over. Wild. See if we can shift that. Oh! I wonder if that was purposely put there. It looked like it had just fallen, so I assume not. This is getting really awkward now. Oh, a bit of terra firma. Nice. Right. Public bridleway, South Bucks Way, public footpath. Rider's route, public bridleway. Person with dog. It's over here. Lovely view. Gorgeous. Oh, slippery. Okay, there's walkers around here. I don't want to annoy people, so I might turn around. Which is easier said than done. Yeah! Oh! Whoa! Okay, Mr. Fly, time to head for home. More walkers. Right, I think this is the way I came. Oh, brief moment of relaxation when you get a little bit of tarmac like that, and then you're back into this gnarly stuff. This gives you such a workout. I'm wearing relatively light textile kit today. And God, I'm so glad I am. It's tempted just to go blatting down these sort of lanes, but you will come a cropper. Back brake only, and it's sliding all over the place. Whoa, gee, that was close. See, little bits like that just catch you out. You're lulled into a full sense of security, then suddenly it just gives way. And I've got to be really careful in case there's something else coming up the other way here. Well, what a hoot! Absolutely great fun to get out on the little CRF again. It's been a while, and as soon as I jumped on it, just its sort of light, fun nature came back to me, and I just thought, what a fantastic little bike this is. I thought I kind of possibly had my use out of it, but that's not the case. When it's like this, it's not fantastic weather for going riding on other bikes. Well, actually, it's quite dry, so it's not too bad. But if you just want a bit of fun and a good workout on a Sunday morning, then these are the bikes for it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that, and look forward to speaking to you next time. Until then, this has been the Missenden Flyer. Cheerio.
Yeah.